Hi, Paul here from Trekitt, and we're upstairs in the Hereford shop today, and I just want to show you a really neat little trick that we've gained from our experience in the outdoors, just to show you how you can reduce the size of a bulky tent by about a half to make packing it much easier. So I've got here a Wild Country Huli 2 ETC. So not by any stretch of the imagination is that a small lightweight tent, and that's going to be quite a bulky thing to pack into your bag. Really easy way to make this bag smaller is to remove the poles. Now the poles are the thing that stop the tent from being compressive. So as you can see in this bag here, the poles are in here, and I can't physically squash this down any smaller because the poles are in here restricting the size. So it just makes common sense really. To whip the poles out, you can kneel on this, sit on it, squash it down, do whatever you like, give it a good squash down, get all the air out of it as well, really squash that down. And as you can see, that is now about half the size as it was before, and that will fit quite easily into the bottom compartment of a rucksack, like that. It's a 45 litre pack. So what do you do with the poles, I hear you ask? Well, the poles don't necessarily need to be kept nice and dry and safe, and they can easily go in the outside of the pack, into the mesh pocket, and just keep them secure at the top with the accessory strap on the side. Alternatively, if you really do want to protect them, you can just put them down inside the pack, and that will give them a little bit more protection, but they're in a bag, they don't need to be bone dry. That's a really simple, easy way to reduce your pack size of your tent.